Today we're looking at adding two numbers. It's a linked list problem. Given two non-empty linked lists representing two non-negative integers, the digits are sorted in reverse order, and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add two numbers and return the sum as the linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zeros, except the number 0 itself. So we have two numbers in reverse. 342 and 465. So if we add these numbers together, well, one thing we know about adding numbers together is that when there's a spillover, like if this was 5 and 6, the number would go, we would carry over a number and it would go to the left. But in this case, it's going to go to the right. So maybe doing this in reverse is actually kind of helpful. So we want to determine what the sum of these two numbers is. So we need a total to add to. And we need to carry numbers. Okay, so let's have a carry. And we're going to have a dummy node to attach any extra stuff at the end. We'll make a new node if we have new numbers. Something carries over, for example. And so the result is going to be equal to the dummy node. Add some semicolons here and there. Okay, so while we have valid linked lists, so we're going to have linked lists in 1 and 2. So L1, L2, or carry. So L1, L2, these are linked lists. They're not empty. And we also have carry, so we have one of any of these. We want to add them to the total. And so if we carried something over from the last time, we want to add that to the total. And now we just want to add to the total the normal way. L1 total is going to be L1.value. And then we want to move L1 to the next value. And this has to happen again for L2. And so once we've added the values, we can determine if there is a spillover, if there's a number we need to carry. So if we cut it down by 10, we do a remainder of 10, we will see how much we need to carry over. So let's see. We're going to store this in a value number, and it's going to be the total modulus 10. And then we can carry. Carry is going to be how much it spills over. So math.floor total divided by 10. And then so if we have this number at the end, it's going to be a new node. So dummy.next equals new list node num. Dummy equals dummy.next. And we return the result res.next.